Do you want to learn how to rotate your view in Blender using just your mouse? Well, let me show you how to do it, plus some tips to make navigating the 3D space even easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. First, let's open Blender and make sure you're in the default layout with the 3D viewport visible. To rotate the view, hold down your middle mouse button, otherwise known as your scroll wheel. While holding it, move your mouse around. You'll see the view rotate along with your movements. This lets you change your perspective and explore the 3D space freely, which is essential when working with models or scenes. Here's a helpful tip. If you want to rotate the view around a specific point in the scene, first select the object you want to focus on. Then, press the period key on your keyboard. This will zoom the view in on that object and make rotating around it much easier. For users who are new to Blender, it can take some time to get used to the navigation system. You can change the rotation style from the default trackball mode to turnable in the Preferences menu, which locks the rotation to the horizontal or vertical axes. To do this, go to Edit in the top menu, select Preferences, then in the Navigation tab, switch from trackball to turnable. This makes rotating feel more like it does in other 3D software. If you want to reset your view to the default, press Shift plus the C key to center the view. You can also press the Home key to zoom out and fit everything into the 3D viewport. And that's it, you now know how to rotate your view in Blender using just your mouse. Plus there's a few extra tips there to make it even easier to navigate. I hope this tutorial helped.